Precision environmental control ensures the health and quality of the species.
The journey begins at one of the world's most advanced python farming facilities.
Only the finest specimens are selected for the global luxury market. Cleanliness is the first step in ensuring a flawless finish.
Artisans and machines work together to preserve the intricate patterns of the skin.
Thorough internal cleaning is essential for the tanning process.
Beyond the skin, the meat is a valuable high-protein resource.
Precision slicing prepares the meat for culinary or industrial use. Maintaining the highest hygiene standards for food-grade products. Advanced packaging preserves freshness for international shipping. Flash freezing locks in nutrients and flavor. Tanning transforms raw skin into durable, luxury leather.
Stretching brings out the natural beauty of the pattern. Stretching brings out the natural beauty of the pattern.
Grading ensures that only the top 1% reach high-end fashion brands. Careful handling ensures the natural texture remains intact. The finishing touch that gives the leather its signature glow. Precision engineering ensures the leather is suitable for delicate craftsmanship. Authenticity is guaranteed with permanent laser tracking.
Preparing the skin for its journey to luxury fashion houses.
Digital traceability for every batch exported worldwide.
We operate with full international legal and ethical compliance.
Global logistics ensure a seamless supply chain to Europe and the Americas.
From nature's pattern to a timeless masterpiece. Subscribe for more.